Time for the air fryer.
What? Oh, wow. You hear the crispy carcinogens. Hey, Frugivore. Welcome back to Trish Like Fish 88, Trisha Paytas' TikTok page. We're here because we want to torture ourselves a little bit more with this video. And I haven't watched it yet, but one of you sent me this fried mac and cheese. Trisha is about to pop. She is heavily pregnant, as we know, and she's making fried mac and cheese. And I just think it's important to call these videos out because we've got healthy examples like Caroline Dessler, who I just did a video on, who's getting called out for literally eating fruits and vegetables, being very healthy. And we've got people like Trisha, making this fried mac and cheese crap balls. And I think it is a terrible example to young women around the world and young pregnant women, especially, making out it's okay to eat like this. It's not. It is not. And we need a reality check. So that's why we're watching this today, for more torture. I'm sorry, but let's go.
Okay, so I'm attempting to make fried mac
Well, sorry. That is just too much, Trish. Too early in the morning.
and cheese balls like the Cheesecake Factory at home.
Hang on. So she's attempting to make these cheese balls like it is some great challenge. You know what I mean? I'm attempting. I don't think it's that hard, sis. But yeah. So like with her face, by the way, we have to comment on this because when you are eating the way she is eating, okay, you're not going to look like this, okay, like kind of smooth, she's got the makeup, so much surgery, lots of filler, lots of things in her lips, and you have to realize that when you eat absolute rubbish like she is, you're not going to look all kind of smooth and tight and like things are fine. No, it's not real. This is not real life. And some people even try to accuse me of having surgery on my face and fillers and stuff like that. I have not got anything done to my face. This is just my real raw face. I don't even wear makeup. My face can change depending on my diet. If I have salt, if I have cooked food, it can change. It's always been that way. But no, nothing at all done. So I just want you to know, that this is a result of a lot of surgery and makeup.
See if this works out. So I made some mac and cheese and put some flour.
Hang on, I've made some mac and cheese. Basically, sis, you've just glued balls of pasta together with a cow's rancid solidified tea juice. That's what we got going on here.
Flour in it and then scrunched them up into balls, put in the freezer for 2 hours, and this is the result. Then I set up
That's an abomination of a result. That's
my breading station. So it's basically a bunch of flour, eggs and milk, and panko crumbs.
It's a weight gain station. She set up a weight gain station, basically. Okay. So she's got a bunch of flour, she said eggs and milk, and panko crumbs. Basically a bunch of 5-year-old powdered seeds. Unfertilized reproductive cycles of a tortured chicken right over here. Liquid acne, the milk. And crumbs of chemically bleached glyphosates. That's it. Yeah, this ain't food, Trishy. This ain't food.
Taking the mac and cheese balls and throwing the flour all over it.
Ugh.
Then we're going to put it into our egg wash and get it really nice and coated.
Oy, 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 oy. We really have to navigate a lot of like marketing and bad influences in this world. That's why you've got to stay strong. You got to eat well, and Raw Till 4 fruit-based diet is the ultimate. Okay? Check out my books. This is a physical book. It is available on Amazon. So many amazing recipes, so many great reviews. Yeah, I recommend that you check it out. It will change your life. And Go Fruit Yourself is also available on Amazon now. But I mean, I advise you to get the ebooks because you can get them straight away. But if you want to get the physical book, it is amazing. We spent so much time on the layout and all old photos and my story, lots of new recipes as well in the updated version. So check it out on Amazon. And also My Naked Lunchbox, which is amazing as well. Lots of original artwork in there. And it's basically part memoir. But check them out. There's a link in the description below. I've lost 40 pounds, regained my health, my life, everything, and you can too. And I've maintained it for it's been like 15 years I've been on a fruit-based diet. Love it. Not changing.
Then we're going to put it into our egg wash and get it really nice and coated.
Oy, 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 oy. Egg wash. You ain't washing anything. You ain't washing anything with eggs. Talking about salmonella right here. It's just a high risk. No thanks. I mean, What is?
Then we are going to coat that with some panko. Really coat it. Get all the panko in there.
Here's a desert sound. Hear that dry desert.
And we're going to double dip back in the egg wash and give it a nice...
Oh, double dip it because you haven't contaminated it enough yet. I mean, like, why is she even making this video? Like, why? To inspire others to terrible health? Like, I don't get it, Trish. Don't inspire. I mean, why? People don't need to know how to make this.
Nice egg bath.
Egg bath.
Coat it with some more panko for the second time.
How about the baby male chicks? Look it up if you don't know. If you don't know what happens in the egg industry, look up baby male chicks, please.
Time for the air fryer.
You can totally hear the what? Wow, that actually looks quite dangerous. You know what I mean? Like there's hot oil. There's hot oil right here. Did she just say air fryer?
Alright, now we're gonna put it in.
I think she just said air fryer. Oops.
Time for the air fryer.
She's either trolling or obviously that is a deep fryer. That is, oof. That no one should ever cook this way. No one should ever have one of these in their home. Throw it away straight away. Don't even put this in your bunker.
Alright, now we're gonna put it in.
Oh gosh. Wow. Fried much?
Taste test. Taste test.
Oh wow, you hear the crispy carcinogens.
So good. Okay.
So don't worry about the acrylamide exposure to your baby, right, Trish? Don't worry. It's sad because she's put her addiction before the health, the safety of her unborn baby, and that's truly heartbreaking. That is, and it just shows how addicted she really, really is. And I can honestly say with 100% honesty, this looks like absolute shit to me. This is not something that I would ever be tempted to put in my body, ever. It's just, it's pain, it's suffering, it's like, it's unappealing. Like there's nothing like vibrant. Everything has been killed. Like the pasta's been cooked like 10 times. You know, it's the fried, it's like, this is just Trishy. But what do we expect from Trish? Not much more. It's kind of insanity at this point that she doesn't realize how much she's destroying her health and, you know, the new life that she's bringing into the world. Like maybe, sure, the baby might be born and everything like that, but we don't know the developmental issues that have occurred or that will occur as the child is growing, right? Because as a result of her junk food fetish and her health in general. Wake up, Trish. Wake up. It's time. I mean, I think I've said this so many times to wake up, but, you know, maybe this time she will. Probably not. But anyway, yeah, it's an old mess. And I can't imagine what the child is going to, like, what kind of life they're going to have with Trish. It's so important what we eat. It's so important what we put in our bodies to the quality of our life. And I wish she didn't make these videos. There's no reason for her to make these videos. They're just like inspiring people to terrible health, and we don't need that, and hurting animals at the same time. That's my video. Don't forget to go fruit yourself, please. Don't be like Trish. And I'll see you next video.
So you went from 65 kilos now down to 57.
Yeah. I went from, my highest was 65 and now
65,
I'm at
to 57.
57.
And without busting your ass in the gym, without calorie restricting, without being on a strict diet, just eating fruit, veggies and plants, rice. And, you know, you've just lost it without even trying.
Yeah, it was very hard for us to find photos of me because I'm a very self-conscious person.
Yeah, when she was bigger, she didn't want any photos taken, obviously.
Yeah, so I never let anyone take photos of me. So it was really hard, but we do have photos. It wasn't of me at my highest weight, but I was bigger than what I am now.
So you can see Zoe here on the side, how much wider she is compared to now. Like, look at that. That's like two of her.
You can see in my arm as well.
Yeah.
It's got a lot more fat.
So you can see here on the left, you know, how stretched out the pants are and everything. And now look, you know, they're baggy and loose on the right, and she's so much slimmer. I mean, look, they give it like two of her.
Yeah, and you can see my arm as well.